Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Sephora. I know other people probably got it first. It takes until like the 15th or longer for me to get mine. So
Well, we should get Sephora. I don't get it anymore and I miss it.
I don't know how to open
6
it.
items,
I'm like,
normally,
I
I think.
open it. I don't know.
And this box is around $11 still, I think. I don't think they've raised their prices.
Whoa.
Like Birchbox.
Do we got like an alert situation going on here? Why are things falling out of the bag?
Oh,
Okay,
is it-
so
yeah, it's supposed to be in the bag. That's
I'm just
not
gonna
good.
show it this way first. So it's like that, and then I'm afraid to like hold it that way because it'll probably like fall over. Okay, so opening this up, it says Sephora Bingo, Let's Play, Winning Beauty. So it shows the products there, and then
Too bad it wasn't
the back
really bingo.
looks like that. So let's see here. Okay.
And you get your 50 points or whatever, right? Star
Yeah.
little card.
I'm pretty sure you can use it online or in the store, and I feel like I have something to do with that. I'm just kidding.
She did say it a lot.
Because I was like, it should be online. Anyway, okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Sachawan, as they say it, shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if that's enough.
That's very tiny. But
I don't know if that's enough for my hair,
I can
but I
hold
might
your stuff
try
with
to use it. Might try to use it. The next thing is It Cosmetics Brow Power. I will try that out and see if that works any better than my usual powders I use. There's that.
That's cool.
There is Urban Decay's Perversion Volumizing Mascara, which I've used it before and I liked it. I just
I
don't
know I owned it, and I don't know if I
use it as like my main one, but I like it. And then Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water.
to take your mascara off. No, I'm just kidding. They're like
To
complete
go with
kit.
that. Hopefully that's not so small you can't see it. And Clinique's
Aw,
Dramatically Different
I like
Moisturizing Lotion.
I like Clinique.
I know, me too. Good things, good things. Oh, sorry. And the last thing is Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish.
All these polishes lately
For face
that
and
are
body.
like masks or peels or
And then there's
like-
that.
more for the giveaway.
Okay, I think that's it. So that must be the shortest video ever.
Probably. But that was it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if it was quick enough for you. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of a future giveaway. And we're doing another one at 200 subscribers or less. I can't speak today. It's really late. I'm tired. We'll catch you in the next video.
Take care.
Bye.